My name is Ganga Prasad and I live in Brisbane, and I bought this franchise business last year. I've been doing franchising for 20 years, so I thought franchising was quite a good way of doing business and good income too, and quite rewarding as well, cleaning houses, units and apartments. It's quite rewarding training the new franchisees and getting them to know the business structure, how the business works, how to do cleaning and how to service the customers, and let them get the best knowledge about cleaning. Better Bun Cleaning gives you a good structure to operate a business where you can make your profit and build up your business to a structure where you can have good income on the business. And it's quite well structured and quite rewarding as well.